Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 501, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings and from here find storage. In the drop-down menu, make sure you select your SD card. For me, it's Samsung SD card. Next, click on the three dots and select Format. This will give you this pop-up right here, formatting SD card for portable storage. We're just gonna select Format. Now the message right here, the second part will be the important one. So formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. I'm gonna select Format. This will go through a very quick format, which should be about done. There we go. And you need to do is click on Done, and that's it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.